Good afternoon, guys. I am just after having a shower. Happy hump day. I'm very late starting my vlog this morning I was gonna say. I should have started my vlog this morning and I just kind of was doing bits and pieces and importing the vlog footage from yesterday. I didn't actually get to finish editing the vlog, so yesterday's vlog won't be going up until tomorrow. I'm very sorry about that, but I'm just, like I said, out of the shower and I'm gonna get ready, and I thought maybe it might be something you guys want to see. You can get ready with me. I'm going on a dinner date tonight and going for cocktails in a surprise location, which I mentioned yesterday. I have no idea where I'm being brought, but I'm excited to see. So I don't even know what to wear today. It's really sunny, but it's not particularly warm. Like, it's okay. I'm just gonna kind of prepare for all sorts of weathers. So I'm just gonna wear maybe, like, I don't know, jeans and a nice top. I think that's like the safest option. So I'm just gonna get ready now, dry my hair, do my hair, straighten it, curl it, whatever, and you guys can like join me as I do that. Okay guys, done, dusted. I don't know what way my hair is, like some bits are fine and then other bits are kind of gone a bit crazy and I just don't really have time to fix it, so it'll just have to stay like this. It'll drop throughout the day. I know it looks really crazy, like big volumized. Anyway, I'm gonna go get myself a drink because I'm really warm from sitting in the window and it's so bright. And then I need to pick up my outfit and then I need to go yeah, into town because I need to hurry my ass up. Oh god, I'm dropping things. It's so warm. It's so warm. My god guys, it is boiling in the car. It's 25 degrees today. Today was not to be this warm. Like the weather was saying that it was to be like 20 degrees I think or something like that, and it is scorching. So I'm not staying at home tonight, so I'm bringing, like I have my bag and everything with me, so I'm just bringing that over now and then going to get the bus into town. And what else am I doing? That's pretty much it. I've picked up my outfit. I'm wearing this black polka dot skirt that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I'll link it in like my description so you can see what it looks like, because I forgot to actually show the outfit. And just like a white body top that I got from Zara like a long time ago. Long time ago. And I am feeling that I'm gonna listen to a bit of Girls Aloud. I've been having I had the weirdest dream the other night that Girls Aloud reformed. Okay, so I am just walking to the bus now and been brought on my magical mystery tour, which I'm very excited to see what restaurant we're going to and what cocktail bar and stuff. It's all very secretive, but I'm having an ish with my bloody sunglasses. They've started to like take off my makeup, which is really annoying, you know, like where they sit across your nose, and I'm wearing a still loaded upwear, so I don't know why it's doing that. It's very irritating. This is at 5, so it should get me into town, hopefully, if there's not like crazy traffic by half, and hopefully I make it in on time. Guys, so I'm just in town now off the bus. Oh my god, the bus took about 10,000 years to get into town. It was like so packed and stopping everywhere and traffic and so I'm like kind of running late and I'm actually running. So I'll talk to you guys later because I'm gonna like bump into everybody in the street if I keep vlogging like this. This is where I was told to meet, the directions. Look at it in there. It's so pretty. Ooh, chicken. Yes, I am. Guys, look at this. This is the bill. Open it. Wait! I will be able to drink it. You just wait and you see. I can drink it. Hey guys, sorry, I'm only finishing today's vlog the next day. I completely forgot to finish the vlog last night, and not only did my battery die but my memory card ran out, so I'm sorry about that. I had such a lovely night. I was brought to the Vintage Cocktail Club and a lovely restaurant. God, I can't remember the name of the restaurant before. I thought I was going to Fire, it wasn't Fire. We ended up going to a different restaurant, but we are going to Fire again sometime soon. So yeah, sorry I'm finishing the vlog on a like different time. I'm editing it currently and just realized that yeah, it needed to be ended. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I will see you in my next vlog, because I'm going to start today's actual vlog right now. The next day's vlog, I don't know, it's very confusing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless, and I'll talk to you very soon. Mwah. Bye.